Hello everyone, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you more things in MS Word. So first you will write here and you will open MS Word from here. Already I have told. Now today I am going to tell you how to change the margin of the page in MS Word. First I am writing something here on this page. Like this you can type some sentences here, okay? Then I will tell you how to change the margin of the page. I am copying this here so that it comes on whole page. Like this. I am copying this text on whole page. Then I will tell you how to insert margin or how to change the margin in your page. Now like this I have written some text here. Okay. Now how will you change the margin? You have to go to Layout tab. On Layout tab there is one margin button. You will click on margin button, and here so many types of margins are given, like normal, narrow, moderate, wide. Which margin you want, simply you will select and it will be applied to your page. Like here I want to set narrow margin, so I will click on narrow and the margin of the page will set to narrow. This is the narrow margin. Okay, or suppose I am clicking on wide. Now you can see the wide margin is set here. You can see the difference here. Okay, now this is your wide margin. Second method is also there to change the margin, that you can do from the ruler. On the top you can see this is your horizontal ruler. You will bring your mouse here. When it changes to double-headed arrow, you will drag, and like this you can change the margin of the page. This is top margin. You can change top margin from here, and from downside you can change the bottom margin of the page. So there are four types of margin in the page: top, bottom, left and right. So two methods are there to change the margin. One is from ruler and one is from Layout tab margin option. And downside one custom margin option is also there. You can click here, and from here also you can set the value of the margin and then click on OK, and same margin can be set from here also. So in this way you will change the margin of your page. Next thing I am going to tell you, that is how to set the size of the page. Size of the page is also very important when you are doing printing. If you are not setting the proper size of the paper, the printing will not be proper. So how will you set the size of the paper? Again, on Layout tab there is one size button. This is your size button. You will click here and it will show you different sizes of paper. Like here A4 size is set. You can set any size which you want according to your printer. Like if you are using letter size paper in your printer, so you will choose letter from here. If you are using A4 size, you will choose A4 from here, and in this way the paper size can be set from here. Next thing I am going to explain you, that is orientation. There are two orientation of pages. One is portrait and one is landscape. The page or the document which is visible here, this is your portrait. This is your portrait orientation. If you click on orientation button and then choose landscape, this is your landscape orientation of the page. This you can see when I am decreasing the size of the page. Now this is your page. There are two pages. You will click here. This is portrait and this is landscape. When the page appears top to bottom, that is portrait, and when it appears left to right, that is landscape. So you can work on any orientation of the page in MS Word. Now next one is setting column to your page. Now the page which you can see here, it has only one column. The text is coming on whole page. Now how will you set columns? Columns divide your page in different parts. Like you might have seen newspaper, in that there are different columns. The text is written in different columns in the form of paragraph. So you can set column in MS Word also. So for that you have to go to layout tab. There is one column button. You can divide your page. Now by default this is one column. The page is set in one column. You can set 2, 3, see. If I click on 2, now see, you can see the page is divided in two columns. You can see two columns here. This is first one and this is second one. Now if you click on 3, the page, first I am selecting the text and then I will click on 3. Now the page is set in 3 columns. You can see this is first, second and third. So in this way you can set columns in your page. If you click on more columns button, you can write the number here. Okay, like whatever, like I want 5 columns, so I will write here 5 and click on OK. Now page is set in 5 columns. So from this column option you can set the columns in your page. So this is for today. Today I have explained margin, how to set the orientation of the page, size of the page and column option. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.